We are born with a unique set of genes with different variants in our genetic material, DNA. We may feel healthy and appear fine from the outside, but there are gene variants in our DNA that we should know. Hi, I'm Dr. Koh. Everyone is born with different gene variants. These gene variants control our visible characters such as hair color and height, as well as many invisible but critical characters such as responses to proteins, fats and carbohydrates, risk for deficiencies in vitamins and minerals, respiration and injury recovery rates, predisposition to a variety of health conditions such as risk for type 2 diabetes, infection risk from colds, flu and others. The only way to determine and discover the gene variants in your DNA is to do an accurate DNA test. Your gene variant profile will then be analyzed to unlock the secret in your DNA. Knowing the secrets in your DNA, you will be empowered to take informed actions to achieve your potentials in terms of your health, fitness and lifestyle. There are two major advantages of doing a DNA test through you. First, the DNA test will be performed at Gene Express Laboratory. It is an ISO 17025 accredited laboratory by Standards Malaysia on protocols from saliva DNA extraction to the determination of gene variant profiles via the Illumina Infinium HTS assay. The results from our lab are accurate and of world-class standard. Second, your gene variant profile will be expertly analyzed by our experienced partner company in the UK. You will then receive an individualized report and have access to an interactive mobile app containing information at your fingertips. We care for you. You will be asked to complete a questionnaire to identify key points about you, including lifestyle, nutrition and medication. A personalized genetic action plan will be created for you. The actions are calculated via your current risk levels based on your genetics and responses to the questionnaire. You are empowered to use your personalized information to meet your health goals and to materialize your genetic potentials optimally. Your gene profile stays the same over time. This DNA test can be done at infancy, adolescence, adulthood and old age. Hence, this is the 21st century approach of using your personalized genetic information to achieve optimal health, fitness, lifestyle and preventive health. Stop wasting money, efforts and time using the generic one-size-fits-all remedy without knowing if it is really beneficial to your body. It is time to have a DNA test done through you to know the gene variants in your DNA. Health starts by knowing your genes.